the two types of court would be a common law based upon a contract with the parties, or the other one would be a court of statutes where the government, enrolls some sort of public law for your benefit. So you have statute courts and you have common law courts. Common law courts is courts that is based upon a contract between parties. Statute is between the government and when a man acts as a citizen within that government. So you got statute courts and you got a common law court that's based on some sort of like a contract between man and man, or man and credit card company, or man and a mortgage company. When a man takes himself out of the position of a man and he enters that into that of a person. Corporations are persons, and man can reduce his status to that of a person if he wishes to, and persons can contract with each other, and they create their own common law. Okay, and then the other kind of courts you have is courts based on statutes that a government created for you, like a state government or federal government created for you. But go ahead, guys. I just jump in every now and then. I got the trailer and I'm on my way back to Virginia. So just keep talking. You guys are doing pretty good, but if you mess up, man, I'll jump in if I'm paying attention.
Knock us back in line.
Again, gentlemen, can anyone explain to me how are you coming in if you are suing someone? What is the title?
Okay, wait a second, one more time too. We want to get that clear with common law and equity. When you go, when you have a problem, like say you have a problem with me, say you gave me some money, and you don't think I did enough work for you, what you would do is you'd file a claim against me, and then what we're going to try to, if we can't settle it on a private side, we're going to go in front of a jury or a guy in a black robe, a judge, and they're going to find what is fair and equitable. So don't try to think common law is one thing and equity is another thing. When you're going into court, you're always trying to find what's fair and equitable. You're trying to get some sort of justice. So don't think equity means something other than fair and just. The judge might say, okay, Carl, you got to do a little more work, and he might say to you, Carl's going to do a little more work. You're going to do it, Carl? Good. Now, Bob, just pay Carl the money. So that he just made him, he just did what he believed, or the jury believed what was fair and equitable. You got to understand the court's either based on statute or they're based on common law.
But Carl, what are you calling yourself? Just a man, or you're saying you'll claim it?
When you're a man, you when you claim it for what? If you're a man, can you reduce your status to that of a claimant? Sure. You can say, I'm a man and I'm making a claim. Sure. If you don't have the facts and proofs and evidence to back it up, you're just making a complaint. If you're just thinking that somebody did you wrong, but you can't prove they did you wrong, you're making a complaint.
Are you trying to say when you go into court, you're going to go in as the prosecutor? Is that what you want?
No. When you go in at the prosecutor, just means that, you guys should just go get a dictionary. And prosecutor just means somebody who pursues something. You prosecute a case, or you're pursuing an animal through the woods. You're prosecuting the animal. You're chasing him through the woods because you're a hunter. Or you want to get a good job, so you're going to prosecute. It just means you're going after something.
Okay.
Okay?
Carl, can I just ask, when you've got two cases going separately, so one in legal land and one in common law land, once you've got your case going through over...
Instead of prosecutor, you can say you're the one who's doing the pursuing. You're the pursuer. It doesn't matter. You're pursuing them into the court. You're trying to corner them and trap them, and you're trying to win.
So claiming is not good enough. Is that what you're saying, Carl?
A claimant just means taking a claim. That's all. You're just telling everybody, okay, what's this piece of paper about? What costume are you wearing? How are you acting? What actions do you are taking? You're taking the actions of what? Of a claimant? As a claimant? Or you want to play defendant? Which way you want to go?